Today, I'm sharing a very special recipe, Rajma Masala, also known as kidney bean curry. This is the exact way my mom has made it in our family for over 4 decades. I'll show you step by step how to make authentic Punjabi style Rajma curry. Namaste and welcome. If you're new here, I share traditional, healthy and delicious recipes enjoyed by my family for generations. Before we start, it really helps my videos reach more people if you like and share this with your friends and family. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. To a bowl, add 1 cup of light red Rajma beans. First, wash the beans thoroughly a few times, removing any that don't look good. Then soak them for 4 to 5 hours or overnight if you prefer. The next day, you'll notice the beans have swelled up nicely. Drain and rinse them with fresh water. Place the beans into a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of baking soda. This helps beans cook faster, turn softer and creamier. Add 3 cups of fresh water. Set the Instant Pot to high pressure for 14 minutes or 20 if you're using dark red beans, as they take a little bit longer to cook compared to the lighter beans. After pressure cooking is complete, let the pressure release naturally. Then open the lid and let's check the beans that are cooked. Press a bean like this and you can see it's become super soft and cooked through beautifully. Our Rajma beans have nicely cooked. Let's prepare the masala gravy. Put a pan on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil and ghee turns hot, add a dried bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a sprig of fresh limeri or curry leaves. I like to add it because it gives good flavor, but it's totally optional. And lastly, add 1 whole green chilli. Stir the spices for a few seconds until they turn fragrant. Then add asafoetida, which is hing, which is good for digestion and also enhances flavor. Then add the chopped onion and stir for a few seconds on medium to high heat. Time to add the aromatics, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook until they soften and slightly become translucent and golden brown at the edges. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to cook them slowly on low heat. Don't rush this process as you may scorch the mix and it will become bitter. Keeping the flame on low, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Saute till the spices turn aromatic. Next, add 3 chopped tomatoes. Keep stirring and cook these until you are left with this fairly dry mix. Now it's time for the red kidney beans, along with all the cooking liquid to enter the pan, and add in half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and simmer on medium-high heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, lift off lid and give the masala a stir. At this point, I like to remove the whole spices. They've done their job and we don't want to bite into any of them. Also, taking them out keeps the masala gravy smooth and delicious. With the help of a potato masher or even the back of a spoon, mash some of the beans. This will help the gravy become creamy and thick. Next are the finishing touches to the kidney bean curry. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala to perfume the dish, along with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. This is optional but will help to balance the flavors. Next, add 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves or methi, crush them into a fine powder and give everything a stir. Lastly, add freshly chopped coriander leaves to garnish. I often get asked, Resh, why do you add garam masala at the end and not with the other spices? This is because the garam masala is very aromatic, and if added at the start of the cooking, then most of the aroma will be lost with the cooking process. That's why we add as a finishing touch to retain the beautiful fragrance and taste. Adjust the consistency to keep it thick and hearty, or add a splash of water if you prefer the curry to be looser. My family loves it just like this. Serve it hot with rice. I made jeera rice today, but it's also wonderful with naan or paratha. This is the ultimate comfort food, hearty, nutritious, and packed with plant-based protein. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with others who might love this recipe too. Please check out my other recipes, links are on the screen, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.